Leave it to Megan. Oh, she loves her daddy so much. I love poop. Poopylicious. Hi, daddy. Dudylicious. Oh, lovely. Duty. What? I don't even know what that says. Oh, I work for poop. That's good. Poop is my favorite color. Dudylicious again. Duty head. And big poop head. I love poop. This is the reason why I'm not bringing my truck. Oh, look, poop is my favorite color. That's so nice. Megan. Yeah, I hope that's it. It's the reason why I'm not bringing my truck to get lunch today. Okay? Oh, look, I love poop again. Megan, you're so nice. She's going to lick all of this window paint off, you know.